Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and I'm a midwife with the topmost priority of educating you on your pregnancy, labor and post-labor related issues. Let's talk about vaginal discharges in pregnancy and how to cope with them. About the time of pregnancy, changes in the hormonal levels of estrogen results in a change of the pH of the vagina. Now this leads to the shedding of the vaginal cells, meaning that during pregnancy we are going to have copious amounts of vaginal discharges, more or as compared to when we were not pregnant. This discharge comes in various textures. It could be sticky, creamy, stretchy, milky, thin, thick, white, watery, you name it, just as we had it before pregnancy. However, not a strong odor, sometimes without a smell at all. It will be throughout pregnancy or about some time in pregnancy. Sometimes it becomes more at some trimesters and less during some trimester, or it could be more throughout your pregnancy. It's still vaginal discharges. In pregnancy, this is called diarrhea, like an everyday discharge. How do we cope with this vaginal discharge during pregnancy that can become very discomforting? The first thing for us to do is to observe our discharge. It shouldn't be colorful, it should have no odor, and it shouldn't itch, meaning that we shouldn't see odd colors apart from clear, creamy, and we shouldn't have odd smells. Okay, we shouldn't have colors like red, yellow, green, brown coming out of our vagina during pregnancy. That is a danger sign in pregnancy. In an instance of any of these, kindly report to your healthcare facility for care. Secondly, we have to observe strict personal hygiene. We should patronize components as twice daily bathing, washing our underpart, our vaginal area, with just plain water, while avoiding all forms of chemical vaginal washes that we see around in shops. Avoid douching, where you insert your hands into the vagina trying to bring out things from the vagina. The vagina will clean itself, so kindly avoid that so you don't transfer germs rather into your vaginal canal. Again, we should patronize cotton clothing and underwears for proper aeration. Possibly we should dry them outside and iron them before we wear it. For those of us who have issues with bumps and itching when we shave, it's advisable to limit shaving to the early trimesters of pregnancy and then use hair removal creams getting to the latter part of pregnancy, so we will not find ourselves scratching, leading us into something else. So these are simple ways by which we can cope with vaginal discharge. Thank you for joining in. I hope to come your way with